Sadly, one of the last days again for a while. And I do still feel sick. So I don't know what the hell's going on. But I hope we see some wildlife today. God, oh man. Shit, I went through the wrong way. Jesus. Oh shit. Here we go. Yeah, today will be the day to see some wildlife if it's out here. Yeah, we went to the other spot a little bit ago, so now I'm here. Yeah, I just like to look in here, man, all the leaves and stuff. And also we will check the other side, obviously. I don't want to bust my shit in here. Yeah, the Action 6 soon. I'm excited, even though it's not really a big upgrade, but some things are better. But it's up to you to decide. See, I like that. Like this tree. It's smashed up there. Oh my God. Yesterday I almost tripped a couple times. Today, a couple. They're trying to kill me. What's that? Yeah, it is a bit nippy out. It's probably 40 now. Even if it's 20 and the sun's out, it helps a lot. There's a teepee there too. But what is my fat ass gonna eat today? That's the question of the day. I'm not gonna go after this. I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and then probably go out a little later. No. I don't see shit. I'd love just to see one on a nice sunny day. Another deer, but that probably won't happen. All right, I'll see you guys down there. We made it down safe. Yeah, nothing there. But yeah, another good thing too. What the hell was I gonna say? I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Oh yeah, you don't need the cage for the Action 6, because you can do the or is it the free frame, so you can shoot vertically and get horizontal, so that's good. So I could just leave it one spot. Plus I don't have to use the cage too, so that'll be good. Yeah, hopefully next Friday or Saturday. I think one of the days it showed like partly cloudy, so hopefully it's not too bad to go out. Especially if I get the Action 6. But it's like I got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Pro. And then they stop with the Pro. Unless they're gonna make a 6 Pro. Probably not, I don't know. But who knows? Let's see, we're down at the bottom. And yeah, we got nothing. Alright, well, we didn't see nothing there, so I'm gonna check this side. See, I like that. That's nice. Yeah, after walking, I feel a little bit warmer, so that's good. We'll just walk through here quickly and see if we spot something. Looks like some alcohol bottles on the top of that. Or the top of the fireplace, not way up top. But yeah, who's excited for the Action 6? Me. Not super excited, but excited, you know. Obviously, after seeing something, it's not a big upgrade, but it's alright. But I'm excited, or not excited, but anxious maybe about the price. I forget if it's staying the same or they're bumping it up. Could be closer to 400, I don't know. Be nice to your brother. See, now you can kind of see across the damn thing. Yeah, it looks like we won't see any good wildlife. But yeah, also too, for the videos, you know, I haven't seen is the stabilization better, especially nighttime. That's what I want to see more about the jitter, or you know, even indoor. Hopefully they can kind of fix that, because you could kind of set this up to kind of reduce some of it, but it makes it darker, you know. So yeah, kind of excited to see that. Ooh, it's bright right here. I could tell the sun's going up too a little bit. Nothing here. And yeah, we're almost done. Unless they're down here, which I haven't seen it yet, but wouldn't surprise me if they're down here, but probably not. Maybe they migrated. Who knows? Yeah, that blows, but it's all right. I'm hoping just one more time, sunny day, I see them. But my luck, probably not. But all right, that's gonna be it. This is too long already. I want to see if that scooter, I thought it was up there. I see some orange. Yep, the scooter gone. But alright, I want to thank you guys for watching. And as always, peace.